If you're dealing with an oil leak on a Detroit DD15 at the cam housing assembly, this is one of the most critical repairs on the engine because it has to be done right. On most DD15s, the oil leak shows up externally along the seal and the cam housing. It's not usually an oil pressure issue, and it doesn't mean the engine is losing internal oil supply. But that doesn't make it a simple repair. The DD15 is a dual overhead cam engine, and the cam housing assembly is a structural part bolted onto the top of the cylinder head. The camshafts run directly in the aluminum housing. There are no traditional cam bearings like older engines. That means alignment, surface condition, cleanliness, and installation all matter. When this housing is removed to address an oil leak, you're working around critical valve train and fuel system components that must go back exactly as designed. Even though the leak itself is external, the repair process is precision-based. If surface areas are not inspected properly, if sealing surfaces are damaged, or components are not torqued and installed in the correct sequence, you can create bigger problems than the original leak. That's where repeat leaks, improper seating, or long-term wear issues start. Fuel system handling is another important part of this job. Cam housing work involves fuel lines and injector components. Before startup, the fuel system needs to be primed correctly. Improper priming or rush startup can damage injectors, not because of the leak, but because of how the repair was handled. That's why procedure matters on these engines. Oil choice and maintenance also play a role. Modern engines like the DD15 are designed to run specific oil viscosities for proper flow and control. Running heavier oil doesn't fix leaks, and in some cases it can increase stress on seals and related components elsewhere on the engine. Following the correct oil specification and maintenance intervals help prevent leaks and reduce unnecessary stress on the system. Air filtration and crankcase ventilation matter too. Restricted air filters or neglected crankcase filters can increase internal pressure, which makes oil leaks more likely at sealing surfaces. Keeping up with basic maintenance helps prevent small leaks from becoming repeat problems. So while DD15 cam housing oil leak may look minor from the outside, the repair itself is not minor. It requires proper inspection, clean assembly, correct sealing, and correct startup procedures. When it's done right, it's a straightforward, controlled repair. When it's rushed or handled incorrectly, it leads to repeat leaks, component damage, and downtime. If you're running a DD15 and seeing oil leaks at the cam housing, don't ignore it and don't treat it like a basic gasket job. Have it evaluated and repaired correctly the first time. If this breakdown helped, make sure you're subscribed. We share real-world DD15 insights so owners understand what exactly matters before small issues turn into expensive ones.